Yo, nobody cover this stuff, but as a man, there's certain stuff you want to do to take care of yourself, right? As a man, you're always supposed to be protecting, providing, doing, but what about yourself? Today, boys, I'm going to talk about the self-care tips or habits you should implement to take care of yourself, bro. Let's hop into this. 1, interact with others. I want you to talk to other people, women, men. Have people that you can communicate with. See, sure, it could be comfortable and feel great to live in your little cocoon and a monotonous lifestyle where you're going through the same motions and days are just turning into weeks, into months, into years, and you're not even seeing time pass by. Yeah, that feels safe, but it's also terrible for your mental state. It's also terrible for your own motivation. See, connecting with other people will give you energy. Even as an introvert, find those people that you feel comfortable with. I'm not telling you to freaking talk to 100 people, and especially when it comes to women. As a man, you always want to be able to connect with another woman. It gives you energy. It fuels you with motivation. It fuels you with a positive outlook, bro. You go from living in black and white to colored when you are in love, and you won't get that if you don't interact with people. 2, get physical. And not because you're going to want to do it. I'm telling you right now, nobody wants to do it, bro. Nobody wants to be at the gym every single day. You're going to do it because it's for your health. Not only physically, but also mentally, spiritually, emotionally. For example, when you go and shop for clothes and everything that you throw on just looks great, you're going to feel good. When the clothes comes off at night, things are about to get spicy. Now you don't have to run to turn off the lights. Now you can make love with the lights on because you look good. Bro, I'm telling you, you're going to feel great. When you take a flight of stairs or have to go for a walk and you're not having to take deep breaths because you're out of breath, or when you're wearing clothes and it's not getting stuck in your love handles anymore, you're going to feel amazing. All these little attributes, how people treat you, how you feel, how stronger you are, the mental process and the discipline that you develop, all of it will lift you up. 3, dress better. Dressing better is not only a sign of self-value. In other words, when you dress good, you're taking care of yourself, right? I put on a good fit. I step out the house. I already know I look good, right? Confidence is on high, but it's also a sign of self-respect to others, right? When you're showing up and you look good, everything's nicely pressed, nothing's wrinkled. I'm not telling you to wear a full suit, like even a nice t-shirt, but it fits good. It's crispy. It's clean, right? The whole 9. The other person immediately knows, yo, this guy wants to be here. This guy showed up. Similarly, for example, if I were to ever go on a date and some girl pulls up bummy, no makeup, no hair done, yo, that date's over. I'm out. I ain't gonna stand for that disrespect, right? Because you expect people to pull up and show up. You should be the same way. And look, I'm telling you, you don't have to invest a lot in your personal style. You have a nice crisp t-shirt, it's about the details, right? You make sure it's wrinkled. You throw on the accessory. You throw on the nice jade blacks. Now you've leveled up your fit. And look, now it looks like I'm trying to be here, and all I did is throw on a pair of frames. Granted, these aren't any frames. These are jade blacks. Yo, Italian acetate. This is the stuff that designers are using. So of course, when you throw on our jade blacks, now it looks like you're wearing designer, even though you're only paying around $60 for it. See, that's the point. That's the key. You need to find those cheat codes in your style where you're not spending a lot of bread, and instead you have the tools to look better without the effort. Jade Black gives you that. See, our Prism collection, which have our blue light blocking technology, help protect your eyes against the digital blue light that the computers, the tablets, and the phones produce. So not only are they functional, but what I like is that you can wear them 24/7. In other words, you can wear them indoors, you can wear them outdoors, you can wear them at night. So now you have that piece that you don't have to be taken off when you're indoors. So out of all frames, I would say these are your most useful because you can wear them 24/7, whether there's sun or no sun, and always look put together. Boys, for today only, because I want you to have a Prism collection, a collection of these, I'm going to have a link down below for Jade Black, where if you buy 2 pairs of Prisms, I'm going to give you 1 for free. Complete. So you're basically getting 3 pairs for the price of 2, and the crazy part is we have free shipping, free returns here in the US, so if it doesn't fit or it doesn't look good, you can return no problem. But now you have a collection of 3 glasses, go ahead and order different designs because now you'll have different styles to choose from depending on the color you're wearing, the styles you're wearing, the fits you're wearing. So you're always deploying something different that's gonna keep everybody on their toes. Boys, this sale is only lasting the next 24 hours. If you guys wanna check it out, it'll be linked down below. 4, I need you to prune the eyebrows. The eyebrows are one of those areas that men do not take care of themselves in, and especially when it comes to that middle area. I don't want to see a unibrow, bro. Take care of the unibrow, and I showed you this in a previous video. Only pluck or trim the area on top of your unibrow that is outside the brow's natural shape like you're seeing right now. All that area is just adding bulk and making your eyebrows messy. But you should leave your eyebrows looking thick, and you want to make them look lower set to give yourself more of a mystery or a mysterious look, more of a deep look. 5, your nose hairs and your nails. Again, these are areas men tend to overlook, and when it comes to your self-care routine, they will make you look better. It adds to the total package, right? If you got little nose hairs sticking out, you think she's gonna be able to concentrate? If your nails are long, if they're filled with dirt, do you think she's gonna want you to touch her face? It's no to both, by the way. 6, wear an SPF. I'm wearing it right now. I don't even know, you probably can't even tell. I put on sunblock every day, and I'm not even outside, but the sun is still seeping through those windows. Not only am I protecting my skin from premature aging, I'm also making sure I'm protecting myself against cancer. Now, my specific sunscreen, it's actually tinted, and why I like that is because I'm a dark colored guy, so I have a darker skin tone color. Regular sunblocks leave this like white hazy look, which I hate. Well, if you're also colored, I suggest buying a tinted sunblock. That way it blends nicely with your skin tone color, and you can't even tell, you can't even tell you got it on, and you're protecting yourself. Finally, rolls us to number 7, take care of that receding hairline. Thank God your boy's still been blessed. Let's just pray it stays the same for the next 20, 30 years, and I'm good. I'm Gucci, bro. That means I'm going to make it to the end. But honestly speaking, both my grandfathers on both sides and my dad is losing hair. So the outlook's not looking good for me, right? And the truth is that it won't look good for most men. Matter of fact, 2 in 3 men will experience some form of hair loss. It's normal. It attacks us men the most over women. But you can do something about it. See, if you're taking care of yourself, don't let that go, bro. Don't just let it happen like, oh, there goes my hair. Now you look bummy. Now you look like you're not taking care of yourself. You have to understand, the sooner you catch hair loss and you start implementing habits to stop it, the more hair you can keep and the better you end up looking. Boys, that's it for your boy. See you next time.